Hi everyone, today we're going to solve the indices equation, which is the typical type of Add Math exam question that comes up almost every year. So this one is from 2025 exam question. And to solve it, we will use the indices rules and the substitution method to turn it into the quadratic equation. Here's today's question worth 3 marks. To solve this, we need to recall some key indices rules. First, remember the multiplication rule. A to the m times by a to the n is equals to a to the m plus n. This rule can only be used when the bases are the same. Let's apply this to the first term 3 to the 2x plus 1. We can split it into 3 to the 2x times by 3 to the 1. Another important rule is the power rule. A to the m raised to the power of n is equals to a to the mn. We can use this to rewrite 3 to the 2x as 3 to the 2 raised to the power of x, which can also be written as 3 to the x raised to the power of 2. Let's use these rules to rewrite the whole equation. From the first indices rule, we know that we can split the first term into 2 parts. And then using the second indices rule, we can rewrite the first term again. Here's the main concept for this Add Math question. We will use the substitution method. Let a equals to 3 to the x. Then the equation looks like this. Move 3 in front of a square. Then here's the simplest form. Now we need to solve for a using factorization. Since the coefficient of a squared is not equal to 1, we'll use the AC method. Multiply a and c and rewrite the equation. A squared plus 8a minus 9 equals to 0. Now it's easy to factorize. Open 2 brackets and place the values. Don't forget we just multiply by 3. So we need to now divide into 3. And simplify it into a minus 1 over 3 and a plus 3 over 1. Then move each denominator to the coefficient of a. You will get 3a minus 1, a plus 3 equals to 0. Solve for a. A equals to 1 over 3 or minus 3. But the question asks for x, not a. So let's go back to the substitution part. We just let a equals to 3 to the x. So that means 3 to the x is equals to 1 over 3 or minus 3. However, 3 to the x cannot be negative, so we reject minus 3. Now we have to solve 3 to the x equals to 1 over 3. Since 1 over 3 is equals to 3 to the minus 1, we just simply have to solve this equation, which is x equals to negative 1. So this is a typical Add Math exam question that appears almost every year. New math lessons uploaded every Thursday. Subscribe and keep preparing for your exams with me.